Everybody, Larry with MarineMax here in Jacksonville, and today we're going to go over this 2026 Grady-White Fisherman 236. This is an amazing 23-foot center console, very family oriented, and also a hardcore fishing machine. We're going to start in the power right here in the back with the Yamaha 350 engine. You're going to notice some extended swim platforms that extend out past the motor a little bit, so it's great for getting on and off the boat at the dock or at the sandbar. We've got a ski pylon here that retracts, so when we switch over to fishing, it gets up, down, and out of your way. We've got a folding bench seat right here that's extremely comfortable, folds away from when you're fishing as well. And at the helm area, we've got great ergonomic controls, power steering, electric steering, which is fantastic. We're going to rig this boat out with a Garmin 12-inch display, VHF radio, add a phone charger, and we're going to go over some fishing features real quick. The live well in the leaning post, which doubles as a cooler. We've also got another live well back here in the transom that also doubles as a cooler. And then of course we've got a fish box slash cooler slash dry storage across the transom. Drains overboard, no pumps required, just hose it out, super easy to clean. And then we've got two more fish boxes forward underneath the cushioned seating up front. So you've got lots of storage, it all drains overboard, it's super easy to clean. The boat's equipped with a windlass that's going to make it really nice and easy to anchor up at the sandbar. And we've also got a head compartment down below with dockside pump out. And it's extremely spacious for a 23-foot boat. It's got standing room. This boat is set up exceptionally well for Northeast Florida. Our live bait fishing with two live wells, that extra cooler space when you need it. If you want to set up a sea trial, call me at 904-545-5310. Thanks again.